Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase?
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. So today I finally decided to face my fears which is clearing out my closet. I have been dodging clearing out my closet. I've actually been trying to see if I can rearrange it and make it look better, but the bad part about that is after some time it comes back looking like this, okay, like a mess, like everything is just filled up. And in case you don't know, I'm clearing out just one part of my closet. Like, I'm not clearing out the whole closet. I still have another more clothes in there, that one. So I'm just doing just for one. So this is coming out of just this space. I'm getting out everything that is not in a size XL because most of the things I have here are in large, and yet they fit me, but I know that I've outgrown some of these things. I'm not supposed to be wearing them again. I've used them, even if I've not really worn them a lot, but at least I've worn them for some time. They were useful while they were here, so it's time to get rid of them. So that is what we're doing. And there are a lot of stuff that are here that I don't even know I have, okay? I have a lot of stuff here that I don't even know I have. That's the problem with having lots of unnecessary stuff.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. My favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there's something about the sound of you, it's stuck in my head. I'm hoping.
So yeah, I finally found this cap. I got this cap as a gift from my oil and gas professor while I was doing my master's in the US. Yeah, it brought back memories. This cap, I don't know why he gave it because I answered a very tedious question. I just remember. So he brought this and some other gifts in the class, and I won this cap from answering that question. So we're done with the clothes down, the one I used to keep like down there. We're done with that. I'm heading over to the ones I'm supposed to hang. I really so far I think I've decluttered like half of my clothes that I used to keep down there, and I'm very happy about it. I'm excited about it. Things I have not worn for over a year or even over 6 months, and things that I've actually worn, but I know that when wearing them I didn't feel very comfortable because they were too tight or they were too big or there was just something not feeling good about them. So they're out. So let's get into the ones on the bed that I'm so hang, and let's see how.
No, I don't want it to stop. Never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. 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 Yeah.
say, drape your body on me. I said, maybe in the morning. We said it would be just fine. Just know I can make you mine. I can feel you watching me. Stole another piece of me. Covered up, torn up, how it's always been. I can already see that you're changing shapes and right in front of me while you're chasing faces. Distant yet so free, trying to reach your places. Right in front of me. Speculations always return, constantly with indecision.
Walk into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Across the road.
Hey guys, okay, so far we're done. We're gonna leave this stop. We're done with arranging. So my beautiful sister-in-law here came to help me. See her over there. She came to help me, although I've already gone half. I finished half of the work. I finished half of the work. So she came when I'm almost done and she helped me do this half. I did this half of the wardrobe. But the part you guys saw was here, but I'll show you this other part of the wardrobe. But I want to quickly show you a couple of stuff that I realized that I've not worn for a long time or that I don't need anymore. So for instance, this beautiful dress here. I don't even know if you guys can see. Renee, wait now. My doctor doesn't want me to do this video. This thing is not clear enough here. Okay, for instance, see this beautiful dress. I don't know if you guys can see it. If I can see a picture of this dress, I'll put it in on the screen so you guys can see how it looks. But this dress, trust me, cost me a lot of money to make, and it looks so beautiful. And the most annoying part is I wore it just once, and now I know I can't wear it again. Even if I can give someone to alter it, but nope. We're gonna give it away. And there's someone that's actually been eyeing this dress for years. I might just make her day by calling her and giving her this dress. So that's it. And yeah, this Zara jean. I got the Zara jean. I've worn it a lot on this channel as well, but I realized that it's not my size. Okay, no point forcing myself into jeans. It doesn't just look good. Okay, so I decided to let it go. I have like 3 of this that I'll be letting go. The one, this is this gray one, and this is the black one that I haven't even worn. I don't think I've worn this thing more than 2 times. I got them from Zara, but as I said, they have to go. They have to go. It's their skinny jean. And this one I got from what's it called? Forever 21. New from Forever 21. And the funny thing is, I've never worn this stuff. I just realized that I'm no longer a leggings person. Hey guys, keep quiet. I used to be a leggings person, but I'm no longer a leggings person. Thanks, some of these things I'm not wearing them anymore. So if not, I'm very sure I can wear this one if I still want to. But because I'm not a leggings person anymore, I decided to let it go, and guys, it's brand new. Brand new. There's this stuff here by the side. Is this Forever 21 shirt? It's a black shirt, just a normal chiffon shirt. Very pretty, very dressy. You can dress up, dress it down. A lot. You guys remember this, right? You remember this gown? I don't want to bother turning it in now. You remember this two-piece Forever 20 Fashion Nova two-piece that I have a picture of? I'm very sure you guys must have seen this on my channel as well. This is a crop top, and this pant from Forever 21 from Fashion Nova. This is a staple, but I'm ready to let it go. This set as well. These joggers, sweatshirt and pants that I got also from Fashion Nova. These two. This one as well. This is from Fashion Nova as well. This jean, like, there's a picture that was on my DP on WhatsApp. If you're on WhatsApp, you've seen that. This jean was what I was wearing in that picture, and after that time, I've not worn this jean. I've not worn it, but it has to go. One is another one. You guys see this? This is going as well. These, oh my god. You must have seen this in my video. This is going. I already promised someone on my channel this gown, and I've not had the time to deliver it to the girl, but I'll definitely deliver this gown to her. But the thing is, I'm going to add something. It's a surprise. I'm sure if she's watching this video, yeah, you get it. I'll add something and give to her. I won't just give her this alone. You guys, these jackets. Yeah, I know. Sometimes I'm like, are you sure you really want to give out this stuff? But I know I have to let go. I just have to let go. I've been holding up, holding on. I'm going to come down. I'm going to wear it. But no, we're growing up. Let's let this go. This is one gown that I never believe I'll be able to give out because it still fits my current style. I was thinking that this clothes I'll be able to fit in it, or I can't. If there's one of my try on I did in 2021 or 2020, this clothes is there. Go check how this clothes fits me. It was so beautiful. But this is going, and we're giving this out as well. So yeah, a lot. Like guys, if I want to start showing you everything I'll be giving out, you're going to be we're going to stay here till tomorrow. I'll be giving out a lot. Even this top I wore in my last video that I told you guys that yeah, I'll be giving out. Yeah. I'm sure you guys will be like, are you sure you want to do this? Are you sure you want to give this out? Yes. I just want to start afresh. Who knows? Tomorrow I'm going out, I won't even have what to wear again. But it's fine. We'll be fine. This even has like a bodysuit something here. I'm not supposed to give out this thing, but I'll give it out. I've had this suit for a long time. It's so beautiful. Are you seeing the detail? And it has even it has a skirt. So this is the skirt too with this suit. This one too is another suit, and the skirt is over there as well. A lot of stuff to give out. Even this my gown. You guys know this gown. You know this my dressy gown.
Thank you, baby.
I'm giving out this one as well. I don't know, the AC just stopped for some reason. This one. And this one as well. Yeah. Yeah. Lots of stuff. Lot. Like literally everything here I'll give out. So that's one thing about cleaning up. Once in a while, go through your closet, see things you need to give out. Declutter. No need hoarding. One thing that is our problem is we're always hoarding. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this decluttering with me and cleaning my wardrobe closet with me. What is left for me now is just to pack all these things and put them inside this bag. and maybe give them as time progresses. I already have some people in mind that I want to give, and yeah, let me know about the yellow dress. Should I keep it or should I just yeah, as I was saying, and I'm good. I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch up to this point, this is a sign for you to go declutter. Let's go of things you don't need. You don't have to keep everything, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. If you like videos like this, let me know down in the comment section. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye.